In this video, we will answer some of the commonly asked questions about our database's A to Z link. For example, what is the database's A to Z link? Where do I find the link? And how do I know which database to use? The database's A to Z link is located on our Library Services homepage, library.gntc.edu. Think of the database's A to Z as the best of the databases, or online indexes that provide access to articles, ebooks, and videos. This list includes databases that have been chosen in order to support specific GNTC programs. Knowing which database to use depends on your research needs. For example, one of the best choices for a health sciences assignment is CINAHL Complete, which you will find in the alphabetical list under C. CINAHL Complete provides the full text of articles from more than 1,300 nursing and allied health journals. Full text means you will be able to read the entire article on your computer without having to find the printed journal in a library. For other assignments, such as argumentative or informative essays or speeches, you might need a more general database, such as Facts on File, Issues, and Controversies. This database provides content from a wide range of sources, ranging from newspapers, magazines, and scholarly journals to timelines, graphical data, and videos. Now let's try a sample search. Notice that there are several options. Before we try the search box, let's look at some of those other options. Just below the search box, you will see some recent controversies that are being highlighted. Below the recent controversies, you will find several lists of topics arranged by subject, such as crime, race, and science. This is also a good way to choose a topic, and once you click on the link, you will find resources relating to that topic. Let's go back to the search box and type in food safety. Now click the search icon and look at the results. You now have several pro-con articles to choose from. These articles will include information supporting multiple viewpoints on the topic. In addition, you can choose from the links across the top if you would like to look at primary sources, court cases, or graphics. Click on the link to the first article to take a closer look at what is included. In addition to the text and charts relating to the topic of food safety, you will have several helpful options at the end of the article. You can also go straight to each section by clicking on the menu to the left. For example, you can click on Bibliography and a list of additional sources that shows other articles, books, and websites that you could use for further reading on your topic, nurse. Next, you'll click on Further Resources for relevant organizations. In this case, for instance, you will see contact information and the web address for the Food and Drug Administration. A list of alternative keywords follows this section. You can try typing those terms in the search box on the Facts on File, Issues, and Controversies homepage, as well as searching for them in other databases in our database's A to Z list. Finally, you will see how to cite the source. Be sure to choose the style required by your instructor or click on How to Cite for more detailed information on how to cite your sources properly. Now that we have completed a basic search, let's look at some of the other search options. For example, click on the Advanced Search option to the right of the search box we used earlier. The Advanced Search link takes you to this screen that has a search box and also options to help limit or narrow down your search. This gives you the option to limit your search to certain subject areas or media types. Remember, Facts on Files, Issues, and Controversies is just one of the many databases you will find through our database's A to Z link. When searching the others, you will use many of the same techniques we have tried in this video. Also keep in mind, if you need more help, please refer back to the library homepage at library.gntc.edu. And most importantly, remember that help from a librarian is available here in the Need Help section of our homepage via chat, text, phone, and email during the hours listed.